Today I'm going to show you how to disable all payment gateway methods in WooCommerce WordPress. This can be particularly useful if you're temporarily closing your store for maintenance, switching to a different payment system, or simply want to pause all online transactions while keeping your site live. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account that has administrative access to your WooCommerce store, as you'll need the proper permissions to modify payment settings. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find a list of all your site's main features and plugins. Locate and click on WooCommerce. This will expand a submenu with several options related to your online store management. From the expanded options that appear, click on Settings. This is your control center for all WooCommerce configurations, from shipping to taxes to payment methods. You'll now be on the WooCommerce settings page. Look at the top of this page where you'll see a horizontal menu with several tabs. Click on the Payments tab. This section displays all the payment gateways you currently have active under your WooCommerce store. You might see options like PayPal, Stripe, direct bank transfer, or any other payment methods you've previously set up. To disable a payment gateway, click on Manage next to the payment method you want to turn off. This will open the specific settings page for that gateway. Once you're in, you'll see a toggle or checkbox that controls whether this payment method is enabled or disabled. Toggle the checkbox off to deactivate it. After making this change, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to ensure your modifications are applied. Give it a moment to process and confirm the changes have been saved. Now, repeat these same steps for all other payment gateways you have active. Go back to the Payments tab. Click Manage on the next payment method, toggle it off, save your changes, and continue this process until every payment gateway has been disabled. This systematic approach ensures that no payment method is accidentally left active. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled all payment gateways in your WooCommerce store, effectively preventing any new transactions from being processed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.